Hey guys, it is September the 10th, 2022, and today I'm going to take some cuttings from my Yoshino cherry tree, and we're going to put them in water for a few days to weeks, and do some propagation of Yoshino cherry trees. Thank you for watching the videos. And this is my Yoshino cherry tree that I have planted in the yard. As you can see, it's dormant right now, so it's a good time to take the cuttings. And we're just going to take piece here and there just to trim it up. There we go. It is October the 7th, 2022, and going to check on the cuttings that I have soaking in water, my Yoshino cherry, and see what kind of progress we're making. Nothing yet on that one. Starting to come up. That one also. A little bit. Not really time to plant just yet. Looks like there was a root that was on one of them that is broken off, but as you can see there, are starting to get some activity. We'll give it a few more days, a couple of weeks maybe, and we'll have enough of a root system where we can start these into some soil. Hey guys, it is October the 19th, 2022, and today we're going to be potting up some cuttings that I've had in some water since September the 10th, so a little over a month. We have a Yoshino cherry cutting that's been soaking, some Oleander cuttings, and some Croton leaves that have actually started to root. Get you a close-up view of the roots systems on those, but they've been soaking in just normal water for a little over a month, and we're going to get them potted up today in some soil and place them with the others and hopefully have some plants continue to grow. All right, we'll take a little closer look at the root systems that are developing. This is a cutting from a Yoshino cherry tree that I took on September the 10th. Again, today is October the 19th. As you can see there, it does have a little tiny root system starting at the bottom there. Go ahead and get that one potted up. We did have some Croton leaves, just a leaf itself. Had it soaking since September the 10th. And as you can see, a little root system on that one also. Same with this one. And let's see here. There, right there, that's another Yoshino cherry. It's got a single root coming off of it. And then we have some Oleander, also with root systems coming in. Got a few of those we're going to go ahead and pot up. That one's just got a little tiny one. We'll go ahead and put it in a pot and see if we can't get that to go ahead and finish developing. Here are some previous ones that I had soaked in water that had developed root systems that I'd put into some seed starter soil. See how they're doing. I don't know if you can see it in the camera there, right at the very tip right there, just to my finger. You see some new growth coming out of the top of that leaf. Also, the top of that leaf, that little curl there is new growth. And some oleanders that are putting out some new shoots of leaves. Those back there towards the back aren't looking so happy. Have to keep an eye on those. I don't know if they're getting too much water or not enough water. And these here were cuttings that went straight into the soil. So I'm not really sure how the root systems are doing on those. As you can see, some of the leaf cuttings are kind of wilted down. That green one there may be okay. This cutting that was actually had a stem has some new growth on it. So I think that one's doing well also. But we'll give these a little while longer to see how they do. Thank you for watching the videos, and thank you for subscribing. Alright, let's see here. Let me move some of these out of my way. I always end up spilling or dumping the cups. This little table is not completely even. All right, so let's start out here with the oleander. There's more soil in there. Again, this is October the 19th, 2022, and these cuttings went into the water to start soaking on September the 10th, so we'll see. Fingers crossed. We did have a little cold front come through last night, so it's a little cooler in the greenhouse than normal. I do have the greenhouse heaters working today. It's nice in here, but not hot like it would normally be during the summer or spring. Let's see here, let's do some of the Yoshino cherry trees now. Push that in there a little firm so it'll help hold it up. I do have some little gravel that I can put in there around to help hold these more flimsy stalks, but see if that works first. Go ahead and put in that other Yoshino cherry, one with a little bit of a longer root. There we go. The soil I'm using is a mixture of just regular potting soil, black cow, perlite, and the very top portion of this I'm using an actual seed starting mix from Miracle Grow, just to give it a little extra oomph there at the beginning. I don't know that it makes a difference, but that's what I'm giving them. This is one of the oleanders. See, I about spilt one. I'm bad about that. And there we have the latest edition of Cuttings to Pots. Don't forget to hit that subscribe, like, and share button. I'll do updates to see how these are doing, to see if they make it or not, doing other updates on the other plants. Again, thank you for watching the videos. Thank you for subscribing.